Hi, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 6th episode to create a WordPress website using our own custom theme. In the previous episode, we worked on hero block using Slick.js and custom post type UI. Today, we'll be working on about us block. First of all, let's add content and image in about page. So click on this read more. You can copy all of this content and then go to admin panel, pages, about us, and then you can remove and add this content. Click on update. Now go to about page and then you can see the content. Now let's add this image as well. So again, go to the admin panel, click on document, click on set feature image, upload, and then select the image, open, set feature image, and then update. Now refresh the site. Now you can see both image and content in about page. You can see the style is not looking that great, and we'll work on styling part later in another session, because the ultimate goal of today's session is to show this about content in homepage. So for that purpose, I will use WP query class to get content based on page ID. Now open your home template, and just after this hero block you can add about block, and I will write a section with a class called block, and inside that section I want to add container div, and since this is the about block, I want to add a class called about block. Then I want to add this code. If you want to learn more about this code, then visit this website. It's about the WP query class. If you scroll down, you will get some sample codes as well. Again, if you scroll down, you can see the properties and methods, parameters, and among these parameters I have used the one called post and page parameters, and I have used this display page by ID. So now for our site we need the ID of the page. So open your admin panel again, and then in the URL you can see post equals 11, so 11 is our ID. So open your template again, and instead of this page ID 10 you can make it 11. We are all good now, so let's get the title. I will write the underscore title. Now refresh the site and you should see this about us title. Now let's have a look at the design. So we need title, content, feature image, and button. So open your template, and then here I will write a new div with a class called holder, and inside holder I will add new div with a class called images, and then I will use the underscore post underscore thumbnail to get the feature image, and then inside I will use medium large so that the medium size of image should be shown. Then after image I want to add new div called content, and then I want to cut this title and paste it inside this content div after adding s3 tag. Then I want the content, so I will use the underscore content. Then finally I want to add the button, so I will use the anchor tag with a class called btn, and the text is read more. Now let's have a look at the preview. Great, all the informations are showing now. The only problem we are facing now is instead of showing 50 words in content, it is showing all the content. So to resolve that issue, we can use this wp trim words function. If you scroll down, you can see the example. You can copy this example and then you can replace over here. Sorry, we need the PSP. And then instead of 40 words I want to show 50, so I'll just do it 50. Now refresh the site and it should be fixed. Here you go. Now the final thing we have to do is to add link in this read more, and to do so we have to use this get underscore page underscore link function. So what it does is it helps to get the permalink for the current page or the page ID. So let's use them in this anchor tag. Now if you refresh the site, the link should work. Click on read more and then it should be redirected to the about page. Here we go. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on services block using custom post type UI. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.